And yeah, we do have weather alert today from 2 to 8 o'clock. I think prime time, though, will be more like 4-ish, 4 p.m. to about 7 or so. And what we can expect is scattered to numerous showers and thunderstorms. In those storms, some of them, a lot of lightning. We saw that yesterday. Tornado threat is not the biggest chance. The wind will be it. The damaging straight line winds coming out of some of those thunderstorms. We could see wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour. That could cause some damage around too, and even possibility of your power flickering from time to time. Hail, small hail possibility too, say quarter size hail or less. If you see any damage, you can safely take a picture. Please send it to us, weather at WPTV.com or news tips at WPTV.com, or tag us in Facebook or Twitter or Instagram. Now, right now, we're not seeing a whole lot happening on our side of the coast. However, we look to the west at the west coast sea breeze formed already, and it's already on the move. See the flow kind of pushing it towards our side of the state. So we got to wait a few hours or so, and then this will run into our sea breeze, and we'll see the whole thing kind of blow up here. All the storms pile up on our side of the coast when we get this kind of an offshore flow. And you see frontal boundary to our north helping to produce that offshore southwest flow here. Temperatures right now are all warm and sultry, mainly into the upper 80s. We'll make it to the 90s today in some locations. Marginal risk for severe weather. Storm Prediction Center has us in that level 1 here. They did expand it a little bit westward too, west of the lake. Earlier this morning, it was pushed along the coast. So that weather alert, strong afternoon storms, main threat, gusty winds, small hail, lightning, of course. You want to stay up to date, download our WPTV mobile app, and we'll keep you updated there. Now, here's Vipercast, put it into motion. So here's 4 o'clock. We start to see our sea breeze there, and then here comes the west coast one. It just blows up all over the area through about dinner time hours. 9 o'clock. Probably just steady rains going, and then we get rid of it altogether after that. High temperatures today before that happens, near 90 degrees. The heat index will feel like 100. We stay with very high rain chances really through the end of the week and going into Father's Day weekend. We do flip the flow around a little bit, but it's going to be a real light flow, so we're going to see storms develop and kind of bounce off of each other everywhere, not really have a motion. Boaters, beware. If you're heading out, be sure to give yourself enough time to head back in before the storms come, because they'll be pushing offshore. So that weather alert today, Friday, still a high chance for thunderstorms even going into Father's Day weekend, but we do taper down on the high temperatures into the upper 80s.